Hi friends, this is Coding Style, and today we are going to learn about Android Studio. And you all know why we use Android Studio, right? We use it to make Android applications, mobile applications. So the first thing you all need to know is to how to install the Android Studio without any errors. And after working with the Android Studio for so long, I have found the golden, what do you say, golden tip to install it without any error. So it was the internet connection. Of course, it is. Why? Because whenever we try to install a software, especially Android Studio, it takes a lot of data from the internet, and that's the classic problem we got with Android Studio. Why? Because every one of us think that all the needed files are already downloaded in the setup, but it's actually not. Only primary things that were needed to start it will get installed in the setup, and later everything will be downloaded by Android itself to web. So make sure you have a very powerful connection before you install the Android Studio. So first, what do we need to do to install the Android Studio? Just type Android Studio in your Google and go to the first link. Actually, I have already downloaded it for the sake of time. So just go with the flow. So here I'm going to teach you how to install this in Windows Classic, Windows 10 Pro, and I will also going to show you how do we install this in Ubuntu. So just click on this, and if you want you can read the user agreement. I believe no one does that, but it's good to read, and I have read it. So select I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions, and just go for it. Now you will get it added here, and it's 896 MB. I'm canceling it because I have already have. So now go to your download locations, just download, and you can see your setup here. So just double click on it and wait for the magic to happen. So actually it's getting downloaded in the background. As you can see, the setup is getting open. And there is a myth surrounding this thing called do we have to download Java in order to run Android Studio. And if you people don't know what is Android Studio and how it works, actually it's a platform to build Android applications, and it works on Java. But Android Studio itself comes with an pre-installed JDK. So if you have a very good connection, you don't need to worry about all this. Just go with next. It will show you a very good folder. It's getting downloaded in my C. Actually, I only got C. So go with the C. And as you can see, you can set up other things, etc. And here you go, install. So it takes a lot of time to get installed, but let's be patient, and if necessary, I'm gonna fast forward the video. Oops, did I start recording the video? Yes, of course I did. Click next. Save to add icon. That's fine. We'll start the Android Studio now. And for starters, it takes a lot of time when you install the Android Studio for first time. So don't close it at a time or don't panic, give it as much as time you want. And as per the requirements of your PC, so select don't do not any settings, go with that. And when it comes to configuration, I prefer a laptop with more than 4 GB RAM. Yeah, 4 GB RAM will also work, but it will work like the performance would be very poor. So if you have any laptop with a RAM of above 4, like 6, then you can easily work on it. And it's very good. So don't worry if you have a 4 GB RAM, you can go with that. But I recommend a 6 GB RAM. So we have a classic appeal. Next, we have to go with the standard one. Then here you go. We will get two, which is light and dark. Obviously, I'm going to choose dark. I don't know why, but just that's now the trend is going on, right? So it will give you a very big list. Now here, what actually happens. So you can see it's also prompting you steady location. So emulator, etc., etc. Gone. Finish. So it's unzipping the resources. And you can actually see what's happening here. So this is going to take a lot of time. I'm thinking of fast forwarding. We are back again, and as you can see, got things got installed, and let's finish. And this is the first screen you're gonna get. So as you can see, there are many things we can go with, and we'll go and create a new project, or you can import the existing project too. But let's create a new project. This is the first screen you're going to get, and I will explain you all the things, like what these things are called, what each layout is called, etc., etc. For fun, now just create Android project, and we'll go with the empty activity and just give a name to your app. I will give it a name as first app, and you can set the location, and I will tell you everything about the package name, etc., etc. in the next video. So as you can see, it's already clean, but we're gonna develop our applications in Java. So let's select Java and the Minimum SDK. So let me explain you a very interesting fact about Minimum SDK. Minimum SDK is like the minimum OS version of mobile on which your Android Studio is gonna work. Like not Android Studio, I'm sorry, Android application is gonna work. So if you choose Jelly Bean version, like we have Oreo, etc., etc., PyUX, etc., etc. So Jelly Bean was the lowest version. We have to select the lowest version for the best compatibility. So they will give this interesting chart to choose between. As you can see, we have Android 10 available now, so which is from 15 to 29. You can select any API level you want, and they will give you exact distribution, like how many devices it's gonna work. So if you choose Jelly Bean, it's gonna work on 99.8 devices, just like that all. 1 plus 0.1. We have selected all the necessary things. Go with the finish. So it's actually creating all the necessary files, file structure, what you needed, etc., etc. to work with. So just wait until the entire studio opens itself, and let me stop the video for a second. So as you can see a bar that's here, which is showing you the number of files are loaded, everything and working, and just wait for all the necessary packages to get downloaded and get the project file to sync. And we will discuss all the theoretical part, what is Gradle, how the file system works, where you're gonna design your app, where you're gonna write your code, etc., etc. in the next video. This video is all about installing the Android Studio. So as you can see, it's downloading additional packages, which is 120, no, not 120, it's 102 MB. So let's wait until it's set up itself. So as you can see, our Android Studio got installed and all the packages got installed, and there is no loading bar here. So this is the file, classic file structure you can see here, and you have got a first coding page. You can say activity. Let me try to write something. And it works. So rest of the things. So for the next time, you can see it got successfully installed. So remember our golden tip first. Be sure to connect to a powerful network. And I'm signing off. Bye. So now we are going to see how to install the Android Studio. Now we are going to see how to install the Android Studio in Ubuntu. So just it's easy. Go into the browser, favorite browser, type Android Studio. Go into the web page, official web page of Android Studio, and my internet is unusually slow. Fine. Click on download. But this time, since you are using Linux, it will detect and tell you download Android Studio for Linux, and it will give you a tar file. So I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel this download this time, and I will go to the place where I have put the files. Click on left click and go with the extract here options. So as you can see, it's extracting the files what we needed. It's going to take some time as we have nearly 1 GB of data. So as you can see, we got all the files extracted here, and go into the folder. You can see the first folder which is bin, go in there, and you can see this file which is studio.sh, and this is the actual file what we're gonna run now. So give a left click and select the option open in the terminal. What it does, actually opens the terminal in this current directory. Now type sh space studio.sh and wait for it to initiate. I believe it got inserted in the background. Yep, it is. So as you can see, the rest is the same what we did in the Windows. And signing off. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Bye.